and click. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to open. Most of you guys have already done some of your writing. Okay? Thank you, sir. Okay, you're going to open this up. How many people have opened this up already? And you get this file. Anybody open this up yet? Okay, so when you open this up today, if you look at this, it has several components. You are going to create a flyer with your invention. It's going to have a picture of the person. It's going to have a picture of the device. What you need to learn is just how to edit this. Do not move a lot of things around. All you got to do is highlight and change. For example, you need to go find the inventor. You're going to come in. Let me go through it again. Up here, there's a selection tool. I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see. This selection tool right here is the pointer. That's the move tool. You don't really need to use it except to click on other words. So if I come down and click, click, click. That's how you move things. But we're not going to move a lot. You need to learn the type tool. If I click on the T, and then I hover. Yes, ma'am.
Any chance that you can change the background cover on that to be like a lighter gray instead of a dark?
Okay, so if you look when I hover, it's going from this little box to the line. Some of you guys are going to try to go over here and draw or click right here. It won't work. You have to go to where that line pops up, and then you can highlight, double click, highlight, and change. So, perfect. Then I come down and I want to explain who this guy is. Yeah, I like that one. There you go. Of the Google, not Google, because Google's already taken. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. Okay, so we have this screen, and the main thing you got to do is think, okay, I'm going to go there and change some text. I wrote out some facts. I need to write it, make the facts into a little paragraph. Now you more than likely will not fill up all this text. Okay, I went through it and did it the way I wanted to do it, but you'll come through and write what you have. If it's only this much, if I go through and I'm going to delete some of this. If it's this much, that's fine. Okay, right now I have it as 12-point font. Just leave it. Okay, don't go through and change it to 15, blue, different font. Leave it the way it is. Type, and what you get is what you get. Okay? If you don't like the white space, go find more. Okay? Yes, question?
How do we get that? What?
You download it.
How do you get it from the website to download?
I just showed you. And I'm actually recording it so you can go back and look at it. Okay? So, then you come down here and put your guys' names. So, Hannah, you're going to type in Hannah. Let me see if I can, did I get it right?
Yeah.
So then you come through and you put you and your partner. Okay? I only get one for one. Okay, change the date. Don't do 2012, August 25th. Now the next thing you're going to need to know is pictures. How do you go online and find photos?
Images.
Hold on. Somebody's got it.
Type in what you're looking for, you click images.
Okay, we're going to do that real quick. Just so you can see it, because some of you still don't know it and you do it wrong. Okay, let's type in, give me a topic you guys are looking. On, she raised her hand.
Toilet paper.
Uh-oh, this could be bad.
That's This could be bad.
I'm just going to go over here. Because, we'll see. Whoop. We're all right. We're okay. I'm not going to zoom down. Okay, so I'm going to click on this photo. Now, I want you to understand that these right here are called thumbnails. They are not good photos. How many people go from here and drag this off to their desktop? Never do it again. The reason is it is not a good photo. I'm just trying to... Oh, why you guys, everything's popping up on
That's
me.
how we were taught in 5th grade.
Well, 5th grade is not 7th grade. Okay. The reason this right here is a thumbnail. It's not very good quality. How many people print those images and they're blurry?
No.
Now, go back to 5th grade, and now do you understand why I say it's not a good photo? They print blurry. Now, when we do this, I want you to open them up. You're going to click on it. Now, this is a bigger thumbnail. It's not the best thumbnail. The best one is right here. View image.
Oh, that's what we
Now it's real big.
usually.
Now we're going to pull this off on your desktop. If you do the little one, you will get a little one. And it's going to be blurry. If you get the bigger one, it's going to look better. And you can make it smaller on your document.
But what if it's too big?
Just say you can make it smaller. It's usually smaller.
No, Caleb doesn't know that.
Okay, right here. I'm going to go to this photo because this is going to be my toilet paper. If you just noticed, I went up to this selection tool. Now I'm going to come over here. Now if you look at this little hand pop up, there's a circle. That's the image. If I click here, that's the rectangle that it sits in. There's two parts to this picture. There's a rectangle and an image behind the window. So we have the window and then behind it is the photo. So I'm going to click on the photo itself. Now if you notice what color the box is, it's orange. So if I click on the photo again, here I'll click off. There's that orange box around the edge. Right there. Okay? Now, I'm going to go File Place. And if you need to take notes, I would. To get pictures into the program, you go File Place. Right there. File Place. Command D is a shortcut if you like shortcuts. I'm a shortcut person, so I like to do shortcuts. Command D or Place, File Place. Then go find your image. Where do we put it?
On the desktop.
On the desktop. So as soon as this pops up, I'm going to go to my desktop. It's taking a while because I'm syncing these together.
How come you can't just take it and move that thing over and then take the picture and drag it?
So do what I say and you'll save all the heartache. Okay? Nope. Trust me. Otherwise I'd tell you just to drag it over.
You said you liked shortcuts. That's a big shortcut.
That's how many people say, how many believe me that do it this way is going to be faster and easier for you? If you don't believe me, then you're in the wrong place.
I believe
Okay?
you. No, I don't believe him. Even though it's my advisor teacher and his help was
Okay, here we go. Where's it at?
I don't know.
We got to click on them. Just click on one. If you look here, it says created 2013. Oh, there it is. Created today, 10 o'clock. Hit open. Then what's going to happen is it's going to pop in there.
Toilet paper.
Now, when this is why we don't present class, right? This is why you're going to do it at home. Because you can't focus in class. So, if I need to get this white part off, the easiest way to do it is just pull this up. And let it go. Okay? That's how you get the photo in. If for some reason it came out huge, for example, like this, it might come in like this. For some reason, if it does, all you have to do is come in, click on this circle, and you see the icon of where the image is. Then you just come over to the side, grab the corner, hold shift. I think I skewed it before. Hold shift. What shift does is it keeps it proportioned. If you do not hold shift, you can easily do that. How many people have done that before and tried to fix the photo? Don't do it ever again. Again, never get the small icons anymore, and never grab the sides anymore. I want you to grab the corner and hold shift. Now if you look, I can move up, down, and it's going proportion. So we don't get smushed heads anymore. Smushed bodies. Everything's proportioned the way it's supposed to be. Do not do it ever again. You're learning something that is going to help you throughout your high school career and in the future. If you print something that you want for promotional stuff and you have smushed heads, they're going to think a third grader or a fifth grader did it. Not a professional. Okay, so that's why we do it the right way. Same with this guy. I click, file what?
Place.
File place is how to get stuff into it. You do not just click and drag it over, because then you're going to have to put borders on it. You're going to have to learn how to do that. You're going to have to learn how to scale it. You're going to have to do all kinds of different things that I don't want to teach you at this moment. I can show you that, but this is the easier way, I promise. Otherwise, I'd show you the other way. But in most people your age tend to get confused when it comes to scaling. Okay? That's why I don't do it right now. You'll learn that next year or the year after. Questions on this? That's how you edit this document. When you're finished with it, we're going to save it. And I'll show you how to save it later. Questions? Okay, get busy.